Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IP address, your MAC address, and all the wireless information with your network. So we can go to settings right here on your LG TV. Open this up, go to settings here, wait for this menu to load. Let's go to general. Now let's go on over to network. And then wait for this one to load, and we can go to our connection. So I'm going to choose Wi-Fi connection since I have that connected. Then I want to go to other network settings right here, and this is where we'll find everything. Then we want to go to advanced Wi-Fi settings, and here's this information. Now if you want to find more information, you can scroll on down under this list and that'll show you everything you need to know or find. So yeah, you can easily find your gateway, your subnet mask, your IP address, and all this information right here if you need it. If you're going to be adding something to your router or something like that, opening ports, etc. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.